Hi everyone, welcome to CT Hall's Rare Disease Day celebration. Today is all about purple, of course, because the Purple Queen, but also it is all about Rare Disease Day and raising awareness for individuals and families affected by rare diseases. So we have a special menu planned tonight. I actually got to plan this menu, which I really did not think I was going to get to do. I am so excited. And so basically the whole menu is a build your own baked potato bar and purple mashed potatoes as well as an option. And you kind of get to build it with either brisket or a vegan mango and habanero mushroom topping, and then all different veggies and all things like that, all dedicated to all the different colors of the Rare Disease Day logo. So we have green, we have broccoli. Pink is pickled red onions because they come out bright pink. And for purple, of course, we have a bunch of different things. Actually, we have purple mashed potatoes, we have some red cabbage coleslaw, and then the highlight of the event, in my opinion at least, we have a butterfly pea tea. So butterfly pea is like a flower that it's an herb or an herbal tea that it's turned basically into a tea, and it becomes bright blue when you just use it with water. So you just cook it down in water and it becomes bright blue. And the really cool thing about it, when you add any kind of acid, such as like lemon or citrus of any kind, it changes color and it becomes bright pink or bright purple. So it's really, really cool. And that's how we incorporated also the blue of the Rare Disease Day logo into the recipe. So I've been working at CT Hall for about a year and a half now, and I absolutely love it. I am able to really learn like how to cook. I never knew that I could really be in a kitchen. I kind of was, unfortunately, taught that having a wheelchair user in the kitchen was not possible, and CT Hall kind of proved all of those misconceptions wrong. So we've learned how to adapt with some great chefs like Lolita. She has, helped me so much to be able to adapt to what I can do. I'm so grateful to all of them, though. I really genuinely am.
Working with Gabby has been great. Like, she came in very eager to work, no matter what the task was. She always wanted to try it out. She has so much perseverance and so eager to learn. I really appreciate her all the time.
Oh.
Hey guys, we're Kian and Gabby. Welcome to Connecticut Dining Hall for Rare Disease Awareness Day dinner. This was Gabby's idea, right? So in all fairness, we'll just be honest, I had no idea what Rare Disease Day was. And I think that's the whole point of this, where we just want to bring some light and just be able to advocate for people with rare diseases. All of this was Gabby's idea. She did a great job planning the menu over here at World Fair, just kind of incorporating all the purple everywhere. It's Gabby's favorite color, but I think it looks good on all of us, which is awesome.
It really was a group effort. Everybody has been so phenomenal, from the staff to all the chefs. Everybody has put in so much work to this. So much time and physical effort too for all the cooking and all that. But honestly, planning, I had no idea what I wanted to do when the staff came up to me and was like, hey, we want to do a day where you run like a station basically. And I was completely blocked. I didn't know what to say. I didn't know what to do. And took a lot of thinking. And eventually I was like, okay, I'd love to do something related to Rare Disease Day. I've done fundraisers for about 5 or 6 years now. And just raising awareness in any way. So I was really just trying to think of a way to incorporate that. And so then I was like, okay, let's take the Rare Disease Day logo and turn it into a menu basically. And eventually it turned into a baked potato bar.
Yeah, so one thing I want to shout out about Gabby, she's extremely humble. Never at any point was this like, I want this to be about me, I want this to be about cooking on wheels. Her focus has always been on rare disease and advocacy for other people. Gabby is extremely selfless. She goes above and beyond, just doing things for others, and anything that's asked of her, she's willing to do it, and always has a smile on her face, and that's something we really appreciate about her. If you look at the menu boards, all of them have rare disease on it, right? It's all about rare disease awareness. There's a special poster over there about rare disease as well. That was Gabby's main focus. We just wanted to be able to shout her out as well as somebody who's important to us and does a lot at Connecticut Dining Hall. So this opportunity is very special for all of us, and we're just very appreciative of UConn Dining Services in supporting all of this, and we're looking forward to a fun night.
Thank you so much, everyone, and thank you to you, Kian, and to all of CT Hall and UConn Dining.